Hey, I'm Polley, and we got 80 seconds to add a camera in Blender, and we're going to make it animated. So let's go ahead and open up Blender. Let's start a new project. Select the camera, hit the delete key, and it is deleted. Shift A to add a new object, and we're going to go down here to camera. It will be in the middle of the scene where you can't see it, so I'm going to hit G and Z to grab it and move it on the Z axis. Now you can see what's going on. I'm going to hit I. That will create a keyframe here on this timeline. Let's move down the timeline to, like, let's say 100 frames. I'm going to hit G and move it down the X axis by hitting the X key on the keyboard. I'm going to click once to release it and hit I again, and with that I have an animated camera. You can hit 0 on the numpad to see exactly what that looks like. Whoop. There we go. And just add a view. Boom, baby. That's how we do it. I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Yeah.